We're in a very dusty, windy climate, except for this year it doesn't rain here. West Texas is an area that's got young limestone, so you get a lot of veins in it, clay or sandstone or such.
In this West Texas area, you got the limestone rock, which is sticky. That affects all crushers. Moisture always messes you up in limestone, and that's been the biggest challenge there.
The KPI, JCI equipment seems to work better in that climate than the competitors do. My name's Daniel Rousey. I work for CSA Materials. I'm the operations manager. CSA Materials is a company that broke off from a construction company called Reese Albert Inc. in the mid-'80s. We produce hot mix aggregates and hot mix and bays for local jobs in West Texas. We were looking at upgrading our fleet. We had a little bit more demands. We tried the Power Screen. We tried the Kleeman. We tried the McCloskey. We actually demoed them. What we'd try to do is take it to a project and run it and see how it ran and compare the numbers.
I did a little bit of all of them for several months, different brands, different types, doing the same thing I'm doing now. And after trying them out, I felt like the KPI was what we really needed. My name is Wesley Coleman. I work for CSA Materials. We're a sister company off of Reese Albert Incorporated, San Angelo. I'm a production manager. I have 8 4250 crushers, and I've got one 4200 Pro Sizer. I have 5 3360 Super Stackers, and I have 3 of the 205 screens.
We're running 4250 track crushers. Really what brought us to it was the way it was made. We felt like it was a good sturdy machine. It made sense. It was simple. It was functional. It's not overcomplicated. It's a durable machine, but it's also a functional machine. We were looking for some portability to where we could blow in and go and crush and get out. We do a lot of moving in remote sites. The KPI, JCI 4250s or 4200s and 205 allows us to move in very quick, very fast, crush the aggregates and get out and going down the road even before our hot mix operation gets there.
I can use 1 piece and 2 pieces versus 20 pieces. I can get running quicker. It don't take me long to get them moved to the side and get them up and running. I can get up and running in 30 minutes where it used to take me 2 or 3 weeks. Years time, you save a lot of money. Some of the other units were similar to it, but the 205, I believe, is about 30 minutes quicker on setup, and the screens are easier to change. And the screen cloth is a lot easier to change.
When I first came here, they were stockpiling everything with dump trucks or scrapers. You know, I kept saying super stacker, super stacker. There's no doubt the best way you can stack is with a smart stacker. What it does improve is the productivity, and it does improve the cost, because not only are you improving your productivity because you're not waiting on dump trucks to load out, the dump trucks aren't the limiting factor anymore. The crusher's a limiting factor. So as a result, it improves in that, and being able to get rid of the dump trucks, the cost goes down dramatically. It's a smart way to do it. What you're having with these other people that are all foreign made, they're distributors. They don't have the training and support, and they're actually, lack of better terms, outsmarted themselves in the fact that the electronics and the computers and stuff they're putting on them, and you put on something like that on a crusher, it's going to break. The KPIs, they're easy to understand. They do the same job, and people can work on it. It's not overcomplicated. You don't have to have a serviceman come out with a computer to tell you what is going wrong with it. I mean, you don't have to chase down electrical on it. It's a durable machine, but it's also a functional machine. The other thing y'all have that competitors don't generally have, being foreign made and foreign owned, is y'all have the research in our lab that we can send samples and say, hey, what can we get to work here to increase productivity? That goes a tremendous way. The support has been really good. It has been a good team effort from top to bottom for us. North Texas Bearing, KPI, JCI. We have a problem, pick up the phone and call. And that's one advantage that I feel like we have with y'all versus a McCloskey and a Kleeman. I believe in the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. And if you got it all from one source, you got all the same equipment, you're much better off. Since we came on board and started working with KPI, JCI, our growth has multiplied tremendously. We're still a little guy, but our support from the company as a whole has been great.